welcome back to a day with Shay, where you get a little love, a little bit of ratchet, and a whole lot of gang shit, you dig? Currently, I'm on my way to Mala's event at SOB's, and of course I'm late. I did bad, y'all. I woke up late, I started getting ready late, then I started to try to upload a whole vlog. Like, I was just doing too much, and before I realized I was gonna be late. On top of that, I fell asleep before buying my ticket. So he told me to go there and the ticket is gonna be at the door for me, but bruh, I just did way too much. And y'all see my hair is different today, and I did it myself. I called somebody because, you know, I was trying to do like Afro chic vibes. Like, that's like the look I was giving off, like, you know, like that's the look I was giving off. So I called somebody and I was like, hey girl, like, you think my hair looks like this? Hold on, which was my train. But yes, I called somebody and I was like, oh, do you think my hair looks stupid like this? Like, I think I like it. It's like Afro chic. She was like, no, you look stupid and you need to take it out. So first I took, like, then after that I took it out and I was like, let me try something else. But then I realized that's not what I wanted to do with my hair. Like, I really wanted to wear my hair like this. So I decided to put my hair back like this and to live my best life. There's my train, guys. So now going to see me at SOB. Pray that I make it smaller one more time. So, leave it to me to not have any cash. So then I had to find an ATM to get cash. So now, I'm pretty sure I missed Mala's performance. I'm just so fucking over life at this point. Like, I tried. Like, I really tried to be on time. Like, I don't understand why I just can't be on time for anything. And I work so hard for it and it just, oh, hurt the range. Little white chocolate in the range. But yeah, so I tried to be on time. That didn't work out. The next step is just to get there and spend some time with him and buy him a drink and party for a little while with him, but not too long because I have work in the morning. So of course I still can't hang out and stuff, but I tried, y'all. I'm so annoyed. I was really looking forward to seeing him perform, and he's not answering me back. He's probably having mad up. Dark, 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 dark. A little light, a little light, a little light, a little light. Back to being dark. Okay. So now the plan is alright, yeah, so now I'm waiting for the light. I'm pretty sure I missed his performance. Like I said, I'm so tight. I tried to give y'all footage tonight. I did bad. I was supposed to wake up, and that nap I was taking was just feeling so marvelous. It got hard for me to wake the hell up. But now that I am up, thank you.
Where you from?
I'm from Harlem.
Harlem?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, nice meeting you. No, I gotta go, sorry. Like, I mean, brother, like, I'm in a rush, and he was so handsome with his dress. Oh my goodness. The melanin in this city is amazing, but I do know I have somewhere to be. Like, I can't stop and talk to you. Like, no. I should have told him to subscribe to the page, right? I just be doing bad. Look, somebody said they like my hair. I knew somebody was gonna like it. People telling me it looked ugly and I look dumb. Well, I'm gonna get off of this. I got 4 more minutes of walking and I'm back at SOB's. And my ticket is supposed to be at the door, so hopefully they don't give me a fucking problem, because that's gonna blow my minds even more. So yeah, guys, so just I gotta do better. So now I have to make it up to Mala, because Mala was gonna make it up to me because I called out of work to come to his event. But now it's me making up to him, because yeah, I called out of work to make it to your event, and then not even make it to your motherfucking event. Like, no. Like, I didn't do well. Like, I got the B Simone down pat. No. I didn't do well. Like, I did bad. What was I thinking? Sleeping so long. Like, oh my God. Okay.
What's up, SOB? My name is Mama Jones, aka Party with Mama. We get trying to get lit today, yo. Let me hear a yard. Yeah! Hold on.
This crowd is live. There was like 50% of the people.
Yeah, like 50%. Like 200% participating, bro.
Everybody moving on this section.
Everybody.
So, could you show them what the dash is? Could you show them how that goes first?
It's very simple.
It's very simple, very simple.
Go like,
Dash and dash. I do the dash. I do the dash and dash.
do the dash and dash. Do the dash, do the drop from my flag. Give me jet lag. Give me jet lag. I do the dash and dash. What is the dash and dash? I'm gonna dash and dash. Full of the gas and dash. Smoke the fast lane. All my homies do the dash, yeah. Do the drip from my flag, yeah. Give me jet lag. Give me jet lag. Put me on my team. Well, they can call me trees. I gotta keep track of my teeth. I got the room of receipts. I need a pressure release. I pop up the coming on me. Celebrate with this stole ass. Single bells, they got no ass. I supply a 5-0 man. For my niggas who got no brand. Make a read of my whole fan. Check out my body, she real man. I just made the game, till the event. Bust taking it both back. Getting drunk as I'm alone. Cool for the cool. I'm boxing on roll. I got sauce like a dog. Parties make follow. See the white feet in front of. Booty bouncing in slow. What she said, she said. I need the drugs, I don't know why. Sometimes I don't think I might die. When in the clouds, tears in the eyes. Never white, so I don't wait in my life. All these boys who pay in the price. So this is who signs to my right. Cause I can go. Keep me.
And I made it.
We don't play that. Got them dope, green, got them visions of pain. That bottle after bottle, have the DJ over play that. Jumping for the pain.
Hey, what's up?
I didn't miss the performance at all. Like, I got there on time. That's what it is. I got there. He fucking killed the stage.
Bang!
Bang!
I did. Ran up on me.
I'm right back. Okay.
See, you gotta shout out my boy over here, Mr. King of August.
Yeah, he was lit too. King of August.
Gang.
All the links is gonna be down fucking below.
King XX August on Instagram and all my social media shit. King of August on iTunes and Spotify and Tidal and all that shit.
Follow him. All right, do that. Support is free. Y'all know how I feel. Support is free. Get it done.
Gang.
They lit the. I'm lit, and I need to get home. I need to find a train. I'm thinking, do I want McDonald's first, or do I want to just get home? Gang. We had a good night.
Facts.
Had a great
Facts. Yo, what's your IGs?
Mr. Quab, holla at me.
All right, and what's your IG?
DA_Rebel.
All right. Listen, all that's gonna be in the link fucking down below. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and follow.
I'm about to subscribe tonight.
Oh.
So if y'all don't subscribe before I do, we got a problem. Go talk.
And I'm uploading this tonight. It's over. I'm going home to edit. I'm going home to work.
We uploading before we start recording.
Oh!
You know what I'm saying?
Notice that nigga said we.
he just put him into it like, this is what we gonna do. Hold on, wait. Let me go ahead and put my YouTube right into their phones right now before they change their minds. That dude, he won't be in my vlog. If you guys watch YouTube, follow my page. A Day with Shay. A Day with Shay. Shay with an E, not with a Y. Not with an EA. Like, no, not SH. A-E. S-H-A-E. Follow my page. I'm really trying to get it going. I'm working. You got my guys. Okay, earrings. Okay, Scorpio. I remember.
No spaces?
Huh?
No spaces?
No, a space. A space, day space, with space, Shay space. Can I record you guys or?
I don't know, you tell me.
You don't gotta tell me twice. Scorpio and a Pisces, and I just met them, and they, you know.
Oh, I feel like face famous.
Oh, sis, let me zoom into that face. Okay, Melanin. Okay, Melanin. And she said a day with Shay. Oh my gosh. I'm feeling sis vibes. I made it home, guys. Do you hear my dogs barking? Do you hear my dogs barking, bark, bark? Do you hear my dogs barking, bark, bark? Hey, do you hear my dogs barking, bark, bark? Hungry. I am so hungry. I have nobody to feed my belly. Hold on, wait. I need the laptop light because I'm too dark for this. YouTube, if you mess with this vlog, and if you like the SOB action, if you like the little content I put up, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make that bell go a ring a ding ding a ding a ding ting, a ring a ding ding a ding a ding ting, a ring a ding ding a ding a ding ting.